In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Google Chrome folders for productivity. 2026. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and heading to your Drive homepage. We're going to set up a simple structure that keeps everything tidy and easy to find, so you spend less time searching and more time getting work done. First, create your main folders. A clear top-level layout makes every decision afterward faster. I recommend 4 core folders: clients, marketing, admin, and finance. Clients is where you keep proposals, contracts, deliverables, and client communications. Marketing holds assets like branding, campaigns, content calendars, and social media materials. Admin is for your internal operations, policies, templates, SOPs, and general documentation. Finance is where you put invoices, receipts, budgets, and reports. Keeping these categories consistent means you and your team always know where files belong. If you work across multiple businesses or departments, repeat the same structure for each so it's predictable everywhere. Next, use consistent file naming. A reliable naming convention turns your folders into a searchable, self-organizing system. Include the date in a clear format like YYYYMDD, a short project or client name, and a descriptive label, plus a version number when it matters. For example, 2026 0225 Acme website lash homepage copy shish v02. Keep names concise but meaningful, avoid special characters that can break links, and agree on standard abbreviations with your team. This prevents duplicate files, makes sorting by name or date accurate, and speeds up collaboration. Now share folders instead of individual files. Sharing the parent folder gives collaborators access to everything inside now and in the future, so you don't have to reshare every time you add a file. Right-click the folder, choose Share, and add people or groups. Organize subfolders inside those shared folders so access flows down in a controlled way. While sharing, set the right permissions. Viewer lets people see and download files but not change them. Great for finalized documents or audits. Commenter allows feedback without altering content. Perfect for reviews and approvals. Editor gives full control to create, edit, move, and delete. Reserve this for trusted collaborators who actively manage the work. Use the least access principle. Give the minimum level someone needs to do this.